Today we will write 51 to 100. Counting. We will write ones, tens. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. Then again ones and tens. Here one line leave. After 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Then again one line leave, then write ones and tens. After 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and then 80. Then again line one leave, and again one sentence. After 80, 81, 82, 83, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. After 90, one sentence. After 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100.
Good. Wow, very good.